This combined experience, along with the testing and learning from existing products, has been applied to the next generation basket, the GTX20. This basket includes everything you love about Seafarm's existing range of baskets, plus new features available in no other system. This platform-designed basket has been developed in conjunction with many of the world's best oyster farms in some of the most aggressive farming locations. One key to this new system is our design of a central locking bar, which gives the basket more integral strength, unsurpassed durability, and increased stock security, while giving farmers greater flexibility in deployment locations and ease of assembly. This unique locking bar engages through the spine of the basket, forming Seafarm's renowned oval basket profile, which maximises oyster rumbling, promoting optimal oyster shape. The locking bar also includes features that allow future development of additional enhancements for the basket. The newly designed clip system incorporates clip locks that secure into the locking bar, providing faster assembly as well as extended clip life and the ability to pivot at both the base and the head of the clip, promoting basket movement. The convex base, when formed in the final basket shape, creates a flat surface to help evenly spread the oysters and optimise consistent growth. With the combination of the innovative locking bar and convex base, the GTX20 offers strength, durability and versatility unmatched by other baskets. The GTX20 basket will be compatible with Seafarm's existing clip systems, including the patented Stormbreaker system, offering unrivaled durability and security. Another advantage comes with 4 locking points recessed on the end caps. These provide increased security while maintaining easy access to the oysters through the hinged end cap doors. Doors retain a unique, efficient and quick one-hand operation and secure latch from Seafarm's previous baskets, which is loved by farmers. With Seafarm's awareness of global changes to regulatory requirements and increased demand for stock identification, we have introduced a separate ID plate that is installed at the top of the basket for custom identification. Farm identification details can be printed on ID plates to give farmers a durable means of making their basket without reverting to hot brands or in-manufacture customization. We have optimized the basket to a 20-litre volume, which maximizes existing infrastructure spacing while maintaining an efficient and easy-to-handle basket. The GTX20 is adaptable to existing deployment methods successfully used around the world, including the French trestle and floating longline systems. We are continuing to conduct on-farm trials to optimize performance. Please contact us for a complete list of improved features and to organize trials on your